I'm going to show you how to build this free backlink that has a DR of 81 and comes from this domain right here. This is how the backlink looks like. It is a do follow link. If you just do inspect element right here, as you can see, it is a do follow link. You can add a photo, you can add a description to make this look more relevant, and you can add links to your sites, of course, and to all your social profiles. So let's break down on how to get this link built. And yeah, so first things first is you go to this domain right here. So I'm just going to paste it in here. I'll leave it down below in the description so you can get it as well. And what you do is you simply just register. Now, with all the tutorials I do in link building, the very most important thing you need to do is to make this look real. Because if the site owner sees that this is just a fake profile with no effort put into it, the link's just going to get banned. Okay, so make sure to fill all of this in properly, and only then you move on to the backlink creation. Okay, this needs to look like a real account. Again, otherwise it's going to get banned. So I'm just going to fill this in real quick and I'll hop on again once I have the account created. Right, there we go. My account is confirmed. I'm just going to log in and access my account. Now, once you're in, what you're going to do is you're going to click here and go to your account setup. Now, like I said before, you want to make this look as real as possible, because if it looks fake, it's going to get removed. Okay, so first things first is you click on edit profile, and you're going to want to fill every single thing in, including the profile photo. It doesn't have to be a face of you, it can be just anything, like a face of someone else. You can go to thispersondoesnotexist.com and get a fake photo, but make sure to fill it in, right? Then, here in the basic information, here's where you add your website. I'm just gonna add mine right here. That's tryjournalist.com. I mean, fill all this in if you have to. Again, you wanna make this look as real as possible so it doesn't get removed, okay? That's that, close this, open social. Here, you're going to paste all your social media. Now, I don't have socials to paste here, so I won't do it. But again, if you do, brand socials, get more links in, because again, you're going to have a link from here, right, from this site right here, right, from this domain right here, this powerful domain, to your main website, right? But if you can also link to your social media platforms, that is, for example, your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Twitter, which is now called X, and all of these also link to your website, right? You're going to have links coming in from all different directions. So again, make sure to link your socials if you do have them, right? Then just close off of this. In the password, don't need to change this, of course. In advance, I suggest deleting all this so you don't get like these spam emails from them. But yeah, that's basically it. So when you go back to your profile now, as such, that is here the link. Inspect, it is in fact a do follow link. And to get this index, now the other one wasn't indexed as well, but I have videos on this channel how to index links. I can link it down below. Again, if I forget, let me know. But I have a video solely on how to get links indexed. And so if you need like an extra boost to get it indexed, let me know and I'll help you out with that. But yeah, that's basically it. Now I just built a link to my website, right, from a website with a DR of 81 for free, right? A profile link. And again, if I were smart, I would of course add a little bio here, right? Make sure to add like a bit more context of who I am, what I do, right? Make sure that this link is as relevant as possible to link out to my website, okay? But this is the basic stuff, how to get a link. Then you, of course, need to optimize this however you wish. So yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, and let me know if you want more videos about this, if you want more videos about link building, because I have a bunch of links I can build for you guys. I can show you how to build them. So if you want more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, give a go at Journalist AI. It's a pretty cool AI that allows you to generate content, right? Automatically publish it to your blog, automatically syndicate it to your social media platforms. It's quite powerful, and this is all done with AI. What you see here right now, what I'm about to show you, this is all done with AI, from the featured image down up here, right, to the table of contents, the in-article images, the internal links, external links, the videos, right, this is all done with AI, automatically posted here to, I mean, you can just click here to post it straight to your site, right? You can even have an automatic blog that automatically generates and posts articles to your site with however much frequency you want, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I won't bore you anymore with this. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.